Okay, let's take a look at the first part of this one. We're asked to find the equation of the tangent line, so we've already said we need slope, and my slope is that differential equation. They've done the derivative. It actually says in the question the slope at this point is this. So there's my slope. So we want it at the point x equal to 0. So let's just put in 0. So I'm going to put in a 0. And on the bottom we got 0 plus 1. Well, anything raised to the 0 is just 1. So I'm going to get 1 over 2. So there's my slope. And we have the point. The point, is again, is given to us. 0, 2 ln 2. So we have our slope and we have our point. So let's put them into our point slope formula. Y minus 2 ln 2 is equal to slope times x minus x1 is 0. So there's my point slope formula, and you can do this point slope formula. I know a lot of people were doing y equals mx plus b, putting in your point and your slope, figuring out what b is. Works either way. I'm left with 1/2 x. I don't need this part here, but I am going to move this to the other side and get plus 2 ln 2. And there's part A.